Today we're going to go over the 2022 Rebel 30R Super C. Specs on this is going to have a 15,500 dry weight, GV rating of 22,000 pounds, overall cargo capacity of 37,500 pounds, exterior height 12 feet 2 inches, exterior length overall is 30 feet 11 inches, and your width is 8 feet 5 inches. Holding tanks have an 85-gallon freshwater tank, 50-gallon black water tank, 50-gallon gray water tank, and a 15-foot awning.
Standing outside the Nexus Rebel Super C. We want to be up front because this is a beast. Look at that front
Oh, it's
end.
huge.
International chassis?
Yeah, this is going to be the international chassis. Now, when you look at the front of this thing, it might look like kind of the mid-20 teens Chevy style up front with the headlights, and you have a lot of those same features inside, but this is made by International. This has the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. So it's going to have plenty of power. It's going to have your reliability that a lot of people know about the Duramax out there.
Right.
And plus, with the Super Cs, like most motorhomes, you get your cabin chassis warranties, and you can take these things to any diesel repair shop in the country.
They can fix them.
So yeah, if you're having issues, or if you're just trying to get an oil change, you can take it to any light or heavy diesel repair shop, and they're going to be able to take care of this thing for you.
Wow.
This one is really pretty on the outside.
Yeah,
this one is actually going to be the red full body paint exterior. So whenever you buy or order a Rebel or any Super C from Nexus, you actually get your choice of color. It's not like an additional option. So they actually give you a list of colors that you can make it. Now, see, that's different from other models where they're going to upcharge you for specialty colors, where you get to choose your color on the Nexus Super Cs.
It is nice that it's not a sticker. I mean, that's...
No, that is not a sticker. That is all paint.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's a very high gloss finish. And one thing about the Nexus Rebel, right? So Nexus actually has a whole line of Super Cs. This is the Rebel, obviously. And the Rebel, what's so special about it is that it's actually a 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
So if you're out in Colorado and you're up in like Woodland Park, Colorado, I'm using that because that's around where I'm from, where you're not taking a normal motorhome up some of these roads.
Right.
You're gonna definitely want something like this. If this is the platform that you're looking for, look at the Rebel, because you do have that 4-wheel drive, and you also have a 6-gear lockout for using for towing or using low mode and 4-wheel drive. So there's actually a 6-gear lockout that you can use in there. This thing is ready to rip all over the place.
That's awesome.
Frameless windows. These are going to be insulated dual pane windows.
Okay.
And one of the biggest features that's something that I really love about Nexus products is their warranty.
Okay.
They put a huge sticker on the windows.
Over there.
Yeah.
Big diamond.
And it says warranty of steel. 12-year structural warranty.
Well, that's because it's all steel, right?
It's all steel.
Yeah.
6-year lamination. So I mean, they really believe in this product, because there's no other company out there that's offering anything over 2 years on the exterior lamination of a unit. This is Asdell Construction too, so I mean, they are so confident in this thing that they're saying, we're going to give you 6 years, and we're going to give you 12 years on the warranty too.
Crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah, very cool.
Super sharp out here. Lots of storage, plenty of storage.
Yeah,
just a beast.
Yeah.
People are gonna notice you when you drive by.
Oh,
you pull into the RV park.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna notice you driving by in this thing.
Yeah. All right, let's get inside. Big old, say big old steps. It's not big steps, but I mean you're climbing up into this thing.
Yeah, and when you come in, everything's just very pleasing. I'm gonna close the door.
Close the door.
Because Oh, we got
other people shooting stuff.
Oh yeah, we got David and Mike talking out
there.
there.
They're trying to be us over there. They're doing their best us impression.
They're not.
And failing.
Well, they think it's their best, but it's not because we're the best.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Anyway, walking in here, very pleasing on the eyes. You get softer white lighting in here, so it just makes it feel a lot more homey. When you order a Nexus, you get the options of what color furniture do you want? What color cabinetry do you want? What color flooring do you want?
Wow.
Just like the exterior paint option, you get options for how you want this thing to look inside too.
Okay.
So when you talk to your salesman, make sure you bring up these questions that you're getting this built out exactly the way you want.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, and if you're building it, you should be able to get what you want.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, especially in a time like now where we're waiting on things.
Right.
Why would you go and just buy something that's on somebody's lot and it's not exactly what you want? I don't know if people out there realize we're not just buying a bag of chips or a Mountain Dew from the store.
Something you're gonna have for a while, you're gonna live in. One that you're gonna learn to love it. And
this is an investment in your happiness and future of fun with your family.
Yeah.
So it does take some consideration. It's like, well, if I'm going to be spending the money, let me build this the way they want. Nexus understands that with how much you can actually customize this thing. So
we've had a chance to go. Me and Tim have gone to the Nexus manufacturer, and they really do take pride in their product.
Well,
as they should.
It's for very good reason too. I don't know if you knew, but Nexus is like the only RV company out there that isn't owned by a corporation.
Right.
They are still family owned.
Yeah.
So when you're talking about getting one of these things, they are family owned, and you do get that feel when you walk into these things that there is a level of care. Just looking around, it seems everything fits together very well. You feel the quality, and you know it because it's a family-owned company.
Well, let's take a swing around Gage here and look at the even the bed above the cab. I mean, that's a good size. You can get a couple people up there easy.
Yeah.
And then the storage, the
yep.
area up there at the front. That's a lot of space up here. And
there's a lot of space.
You're not squeezing into this much space.
Right. And there's actually little lights up in the front too. And nice ventilation fan right above the bed. So one of the kids up there, his feet stinking, just open up the vent, and that his the teenager foot stench won't go throughout the whole coach.
That's right.
Now, as I said, up in the dash and entertainment area, a lot of you might recognize that as being very GM-like or GM truck-like. That's because it is. So you get a lot of touch features that you might be familiar with. Lighting, your gauge cluster, you get your in-dash for your backup cameras and side view cameras, cruise control. As I said, you get your special 6-gear lockout that if you're towing something or if you're going up a hill, like over the Rockies, you can hit that 6-gear lockout and you can get over that pass very easy.
Nice. I did notice there's some extra cushions up here that we figured out what those were.
Yeah.
Those are for the, if you turn this into a bed.
Yeah, so this actually does lay down to a bed, and they package extra cushions because when you're talking about craftsmanship still, the Paul's seating, this is actually all stitched in.
Yeah.
So nice features. These aren't just things that you just pull out and throw off somewhere. So they gave you extra cushions.
Nice, really nice storage down here.
Yep, that's all locking boards. Everything is all really nicely built there. They're with locks on the outside. So if you want to keep a,
which is much better than locks on the inside. That seems like it would be pointless.
Yeah. So like if you're doing a cross country trip and you want to take a bunch of cash with you. You do have a spot to lock it away. You got to make it difficult for them. So.
Right. Nice little theater seating over here.
That's your theater seating. Your TV is just back on your right shoulder. So that just kind of comes out. Just really nice feel. I really like the lighting in here and how soft it is. You know, it just makes it very comfortable looking.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look at this kitchen here.
Yeah.
It's a lot of counter space with the sink cover on it.
Yeah. And of course, like any other RV, those do come off. These are the solid countertops. You have accent lighting up underneath. And the cabinetry in here, if anybody's wondering, this is the black walnut cabinetry option that you can get. Residential fixtures, double sink. And these are, you know, these are definitely not wood. These are
heavy.
These are heavy. I mean, it's very quality stuff. Nice, huge microwave, big stove and burner. This one actually is ordered by somebody, so this one's going to be picked up here in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So we keep all of their information
I think he's going to be happy.
that they need to take with them.
He's going to be very happy with this.
Yep. Your tri-glass shower door with locking mechanism. You get a lot of cabinetry in there too.
The shower head in there is nice.
Porcelain toilet comes standard. You get a lot of cabinetry just to the left of the medicine cabinet. So you get over to the left, you get your 3 little cabinets up there as well.
Yeah. And I feel like there should be more sliding doors in RVs, right? They save so much space. I know you need to have space here to slide it, but it's as far as like hallway space or wall space, it saves so much room.
Yeah, and this actually is on a magnet.
Oh yeah.
So you know it won't just go easily rolling open. Here's a locking for when you're going down the road. You can lock it on the back end there.
Yeah. Another good sized bedroom.
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess it depends if you, you know, they have the bed.
Yeah.
I suppose it could be a bathroom.
The slide. I guess this is a super slide. I didn't even know
this is a super slide.
Yeah.
So a super slide, for those that don't know, is a slide room that encompasses more than one room. So this slide encompasses the dinette, the kitchen, the fridge, and the bedroom.
Wow.
So this is what is called a super slide because it encompasses more room than just one.
Okay.
Queen size bed, lots of cabinetry, your wardrobes here on the side. You get 2 furnace vents down here, so this thing's going to be nice and warm for wherever you're going.
Yeah.
TV, bedside storage, overhead bed storage. Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing ain't
nice.
playing around.
It's quality.
Very high quality.
I knew we were going to get quality when we walked into it being a Nexus, you know.
Yeah. And this is just one of the Rebels that they sell. I mean, they have 2 other Rebel models that are bigger. You know, so if this is too small for you, trust me, they've got a bigger one.
Nice. All right. This could be yours. Sorry, that was loud. That was a loud clap. I don't know if that came across as loud as it inside here. Anyways, if you want to find yourself in a Nexus, you need to get hold of the folks at RV Wholesalers. They would love to get you there.